Hello my beautiful people, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can invite friends on Glowlive app. Alright, so this is the Glowlive app, and once you open the app you are going to click on my. So after clicking on my, you are going to see invite. Okay, yes, so you are going to go ahead and click invite. Alright, so once you click invite, you're going to see it says down here invite friends to download Glow app. And keep in mind, once you invite someone, you are going to receive 400 coins, and that person is going to receive 400 coins as well. So you're going to click on invite now, and once you click on invite now, it say you are going to see invite. All right, yes, so click on the invite, and once you click on invite, you're going to see the copy link. So this link right here that you just copied is the one that you're going to send to either your friend or your WhatsApp or Facebook or anywhere. So once that person clicks on that link, they are going to bring her directly to Glowlive app, and they will have to download it and they will receive 400 coins. So guys, that is how you are going to invite friends on the Glowlive app. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to the Boost Lives channel. If you're really interested in this app, check the link in the description and click on it and download the app. Thank you.